Yeah, best case, this is the only trade I take. L day, it is what it is. You guys know it was L day. No cap, that's all I need, TP2. You know what it is? Having more money come in. When I was still developing as a trader, I was working jobs. I was a manager at UPS.
What you doing?
Back at the crib, and we got a little family member. Morning everybody, and welcome back to another video. Right now, I'm just trying to get ready to get this VIP call started. As you guys know, if you haven't been here before, this is your first video. I'm a day trader, content creator, serial entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. And I'm about to trade in like 10 minutes. I don't got my watch, but it's like 9:25 or not even 10 minutes, like 5 minutes. I usually like to take a shower before I trade, but I don't even got the time for that. But yeah, we about to get value. See what we can do. It's Monday though. I never force any trades on Monday. Monday are always the days where I just gotta test the waters, see what's up. I'm not trying to risk too much. I'm trying to see what this week's looking like. Wednesday, we have FOMC and CPI, so that's gonna be an eventful day. Wednesday more than likely will be the day we take off. But you guys know my rule. If I could win 2 days in a row, lose 2 days in a row, I'm taking that third day off. So if we can win today and tomorrow, we don't even gotta trade Wednesday. So that's the goal as of right now. So let's make it happen. We wanna make $10,000 this month trading. We gotta make some money. We gotta make like thousands, so 8,800 still, 8,800. Let's get to work. All right, now we about to get straight to it. 9:28. Let's see what we can do. There's no news today, no crazy events, so it should be a smooth day. We'll just see what 9:30, 10 o'clock looking like. Do what we do every single day. Yeah, best case, this is the only trade I take. I don't wanna push it too crazy on a Monday. Everything, this points with the same bias, dollars pushing, so ideally this would drop overall. Could do it in between and bullshit around, but overall trend should be bearish. So we'll see what we can do. The 4 hour for value gap on the higher time frame's already been traded into. So that's that. And I also have my stop loss above that high. So it should keep it safe. We have that previous day's low along with this pre-New York low as a target. Now I just wait for the entry. Now I just wait. The idea nonetheless. We just got to see how this is going to play. Let's get my short position in there. I went short at the 1 hour gap. Stop loss is above this high from 7 and 8 a.m. Let's see what we can do. It's not a bad trade idea. If the dollar keeps on dropping, pushing, I think this would be a smooth move. If this ends up flying from here, I'll take the L. And that's just give me that move I was looking for. Once we run that 5 a.m. low, that's the great trade idea. Come on now. That's tough. 15 seconds till 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, I need you to hit my TP2 for me. No cap, that's all I need, TP2, not 3. 3 could work too, but you know, I just want 2. Let's see what you finna do. Now we shall wait. We here. There's other people in the gym, but it don't matter. We still gonna get the work on. Do what we supposed to. Today was a L day. It is what it is. You guys know it was L day. You gotta put the work in regardless. I may not want to be at the gym, but I'm here anyway. I may feel like shit, I may be tired. It don't matter. Once you guys understand that your goals and your success don't care how you feel, that's when you're actually gonna start putting the work required to achieve your goals. L days happen, W days happen. I win some, I lose some. The main thing is staying in the game long enough to be able to catch that another win. To be able to stay in the game long enough, to be able to trade tomorrow, trade the next day. That's all it is. 3 years ago, days like this would have made me blow my account, over risk, over trade, and also the losing days made me feel like I didn't know what I was doing. When in reality, I had the data that otherwise told me I knew exactly what I was doing, but you guys gotta understand how strong and how important understanding the psychology with losing trades is, and understanding that it's just part of the game. One bad day isn't a bad life. One losing trade doesn't mean you're a bad trader. No days off. No days off. And another thing, I came over into like this racquetball room just because it was a little loud over there. But you guys gotta understand, one of the main ways to be able to get over losses, to get better at handling losses, you know what it is? Having more money come in. I only may have made $50 from VIP today, but the fact that I was able to catch a small W with another business outside of trading allows me to not to just focus on the losing trade,
We get caught up in the losses. We worry and focus on the negative more than the positive. I don't care if it's get another job, start a side hustle, start a new business. You gotta find another way to make money because trading doesn't happen overnight. You're not gonna immediately make money overnight. It takes time. All good things take time. Even that second business that you're planning on starting, that's more than likely gonna take time too. So the sooner you start, the better. Time is money, and we don't have unlimited of it. That's just what it is. You're gonna have to get a job, start another business because trading is so much easier when you have other money coming in. When I was still developing as a trader, I was working jobs. I was a manager at UPS. I used to work at Chick-fil-A. I worked in warehouses, crazy. I had to do whatever was necessary to be able to get me to that next level. And you may not wanna work, but guess what? Nobody does. Your parents are still working. Do you think that they want to? Your grandparents are still working. Do you think that they want to? No, you're no different. You don't wanna work, you're gonna have to until you put yourself in the position to where you don't have to. You know what I mean? Nothing happens just from getting lucky. No, that's not how the world fucking works. It takes time, bro. I tell you guys this all the time. I wish it didn't take time. All good things take time. It's not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna build successful traits overnight. You're not gonna become disciplined, consistent. You're not gonna build all these traits overnight. All these things take time to build. Getting confidence takes time. Getting experience takes time. Why do you think I'm in the gym, bro? Do you think I wanna be here? In a way, I wanna be here because I know the outcome is positive, but I don't enjoy putting my body under stress. I don't enjoy being here when it's 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night and I'm tired. I don't enjoy being here when I'm hungry. But guess what? I do it anyway. Do you think I want to sit here and record my life all day, every day, edit it at nighttime, barely get no sleep, constantly editing and posting content? I don't wanna do that every day. But I know I gotta do what is necessary to get me to that next level. And I'm seeing that this is working. Me recording these videos is working. My trading is working. My active community, my VIP trading network, my community is growing. It's working. So what I'm doing is working. So I have to keep pushing it until I get my end result. And that's my goals. May take longer than I want, but I don't care. I don't care how long it takes, as long as I achieve it. I'm gonna achieve it. I'm gonna achieve all of it. And you may be saying, achieve what? My goals, my ambitions, my purpose, all of it.
What you doing?
Luna, you got a little sister, Nova and Luna.
It seemed fun. It seemed good. Luna's not really. She knows she's a baby. She's just leaving her alone.
Yeah. That's fine. Yo, why you bullying? And as you guys can see, back at the crib, and we got a little family member. Got a new addition to the family. She's not a male, she is a female, but mainly she's gonna be keeping our dog Luna active and giving her some fun. But mainly the whole topic of this video today was just how to deal with losses. She's probably going crazy in the mic, but how to deal with losses. At the end of the day, they're gonna happen. It's just about perspective. Understand that losses are gonna happen. I take losses, you take losses, everybody takes losses. It's necessary to be able to succeed. It's necessary to take losses in order to take wins. It's just how the game goes. You're not gonna learn what you've been doing wrong until you lose. That's just life. There's a whole bunch of different things you could do to handle losses, get confidence in yourself, because that's the main thing. The main reason that after a loss you lose confidence in yourself is because you don't have enough experience to know that you're gonna catch another trade. Another trade is gonna happen. That same trade you missed is gonna happen again. That's just how it goes. The market repeats. And once you have that confidence in yourself, there's no taking it away. I could take a loss all week. I know I'm gonna come back next week and succeed. Simple as that. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. If you wanna learn how to trade for free, check out the free trading course. The free trading webinars will teach you everything from 0 all the way to 100 on how I trade, what I do on a day-to-day basis. Can't get any better than that. Once you're ready to join the team, join the VIP Trading Network where we're live every single morning. You can take my trades, you can learn from the community, get active with the community, and just build yourself every single day a 1% version of yourself that you know you should be. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. Say bye to Nova down there on the floor, and we're gonna see you in tomorrow's video.